Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the Weakref module. And technically, this is a module in Python which allows you to create Weakrefing. It's a module in Python which allows you to create weak references. But why are they good for us? So basically, it allows you to create an object which has a weak reference. And a weak reference to an object is not enough to keep the object alive. And when the only remaining references to a referent are weak references, the garbage collection is free to destroy the relevant object. So what we will do is create an example. And basically, this example is going to look like this. We are going to import the Weakref module. Can you see anything of my screen? Yes, you can. And in this Weakref module, we are going to create a mySet variable. And this mySet variable is going to hold 5 elements. And we are going to say that mySet2 is equal to mySet. And we are going to define a garbage disposed. And basically, we are going to print that I am not feeling too well. And after that, we are going to create, how do we call it? Let's call this collector. And this collector is going to have a Weakref.finalize function. And we will use mySet with the collect or function. So what will happen is that when we delete the mySet, it is going to have only weak references to it. And basically, it is going to be garbage collected. So let's print the collector.alive. And let's delete mySet. And now we remove mySet2 from reference. And that's when the garbage collection should kick off. So mySet2 is equal to not the original anymore. So now if I go ahead and run it, let's go to the coding and PyGoodies. Let's make it a bit bigger. And here I have the Weakref link. And Python 3 should be used. So collector is not defined. Sorry. Garbage disposed. And garbage disposed. And let's save it. So now if I run my script once again and fix the other issue. So here I am supposed to have the garbage disposed function. So let's save it and run it. So as you can see, the isAlive returned true right before we deleted the original set. And then what happened when after we printed out this statement is we set mySet2 to another value. So it is not going to reference mySet anymore. And technically that's when the garbage collector or garbage disposed function kicked in. And after that, the mySet was garbage collected. So in this video, that's what I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.